The AC call on a John Deere 350 this morning, so it's completely empty, so I ran the nitrogen. So here, check this out. As soon as I turn the nitrogen on, I think it's leaking. It's this hose. This is where the high side fitting is. That's a pretty big leak. I want to see what it looks like. Well, there it is right there. It rubbed somewhere. So this is the small line. I got to figure out where it goes. I think it just goes to the condenser, which is like over here. I'm not sure yet. So I was mistaken. So that line's right here. So it's this one. It goes this way into the cab. So it goes from the condenser to the cab. So that's gonna be it's gonna be fun.